Hi, hello. Today I'm going to explain about how to apply PDC in RGUHS, means Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Recently we posted one short video. For that we got a lot of direct messages regarding they need the explanation video. So that is the reason I'm going to explain about the RGUHS PDC application step by step. Okay, so we can start. Before that, once again, welcome back to Nursing Guru. Okay, so for that, simply you just in the Google RGUHS PDC application, you just type that. So you can see in a screen like this. So here in the first option, just click on it. So we can see a screen here. So it will be explaining about the provisional degree certificate. PDC means it is provisional degree certificate. It is valid up to when you get the registration certificate, it will be valid up to that. Okay, that is PDC. So here you can give a register number. Okay, means you are a first time if you are registering means you just type your registration number here. Okay, sometimes the students may already registered. So if you are already registered means click here to login. So here we can see in another page. So here you need to give a register number, date of birth and your password. But if you are a new person or new user to applying the PDC, definitely you don't have the password. So that is the reason we need to set the password. So start with the registration number. Okay, so here you need to give your registration number. This is this column for the login. Login means you are already registered. Okay, so next, and also when you are going to here, you can see the instructions here. So if you are clicking here for the instructions, you can see you will get one PDF and you can watch everything. Okay, then the registration page, you need to fill up all the details. So register number, you need to apply the register number here, and the next step is submit. Okay, so after submission, you can see that one your name, and along with that you can see your college name, and the next is the degree. If you are studied completed BSc nursing means that area you can see the BSc nursing, and also your RS1 or RS5 which batch, that also it will be visible there, and along with that your mobile number it will be visible there, and your date of birth and your email ID. This much of data will be available in the next screen. But sometimes what will happen, your mobile number it will not be registered, so it is not available there, means definitely you should contact with your college. Okay, then next, internship details, because once you are entering the register number, the data it will not be available there, means your internship certificate it may be not applied or not attached from the colleges. So definitely you should contact with your college. Your college will be attached the internship details. Okay, so that is compulsory. Then next step, on entering the registration number, student details will be displayed along with the mobile number that is updated by the colleges. That's the reason I told that if you are haven't seen the mobile number means definitely you should contact with your college. You don't worry, this PDC it will be applied from your colleges, but some of the colleges they will tell that the students can directly apply through online. So in that situations you should follow this technique. Otherwise you can simply go to your college and they will help you. Okay, so updated by the college, if the mobile number it is missing and also the email number it is missing, internship details it is missing, means you need to contact with your college. Then click on send OTP button. I already mentioned that when you are entering the registration number, you can see some of the information, student information. What are the information? First you can see your register number. Second, you can see the student name. So definitely you have to check with that it is the spelling it is correct or not. Everything you have to check. Then next you can see the college name, and the next column you can see the degree. Degree means a BSc degree or MSc degree. Which degree you are gained, that will be available there. Then next your mobile number. So make sure that your mobile number it is updated. Then Next is date of birth. So you should enter date of birth manually. Then and also the email address is there. So email address automatically it will be there. Then next step is OTP verification. Okay, so you can click here send OTP. Okay, send OTP. Here one area is there. So you can click on it. You can done this PDC application by your mobile or otherwise with the help of a laptop you can do that one. So mobile also it will be okay, no issues. So if the mobile number doesn't exist, then get it update through your college, that are you already informed. So otherwise you will get one OTP in your mobile phone. Then you need to verify the OTP. So after OTP verification, you can see one screen. In that screen also your register number, student details, college name, degree, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, and also another one section is there, enter password. Okay, enter password and re-enter the password. So here what we need to do, we need to set the password. Okay, after verification of the date of birth it is required. Okay, date of birth and email ID, everything we need to apply. Then here if your mobile number it is verified means after OTP verification, then you can register by entering the password. So here you can see that one, enter password. Already these informations are there. Then along with that you need to enter, because you are a new user, you need to enter the password and re-enter the password. Make sure that you need to write it in another page, or make your, it is very essential, because once again if you are login for downloading the PDC certificate, you need to enter your register number and along with this password. So make sure that you can remember this password. So you need to enter the password and re-enter the password. So you can see here the internship details. Every courses internship it is not there. So which all are the courses, like pharmacy courses internship is there. So who all are the courses, they need to study the internship certificates will be available here in a PDF format. The size is not more than less 150 KB, and don't worry, this internship certificate will be uploaded from your college. Okay, then click the register button. Then next is without internship. Some courses they doesn't have the internship. So without internship, how? So just enter the password and re-enter the password and register it. Okay. So after login, certificate is pending for the digital signature or hash key generation. Okay, so after login, this is the final step. So you need to recreate the password, then this is the final step and you are applied for the PDC. Once again, you can log in with your registration number and along with the password, and then you can see a screen like this. Welcome, your name and your registration number will be there, student name it is there, college degree and which course is completed, which year, everything it is here. And along with that, in the red color you can see certificate is pending with a registrar evaluation or registrar signing. Okay, so this register signing or register signature will be validated by the Adobe Reader only. It won't be given from the university, because PDC it have only limited duration or limited validation. So you can accept the validate. Okay, so how to validate or how to download the certificate? So already this process means the PDC application process it is completed. You got your register number and a password. I think this much it is clear. The next one, it is how to validate your certificates. So for that, again register it, again go to login, then to download the certificate. For the candidate with the internship, the certificate will be available after the verification of the internship from the college and followed by the registrar evaluation digital signature. For the candidate without internship, the certificates will be available after registrar evaluations digital signature. Okay, so here you can see the screen. Okay, so in the screen also you have to cross check with the register number and the student name, the spelling you should check, and the college name. This the college code and all. So college name and degree completed, PDC number it will be there, and a PDC generated date also you can see it here. Okay, so then here one option is there, that is download the provisional degree certificate. Means click to download the provisional degree certificate. Just click here. After downloading the provisional degree certificate, you can see here the validate form, the registration validation form. Here one question mark it is there. So we need to click and validate. So before that, make sure that again and again students are making mistake over here. So complete instruction it is there in the university website itself. They are giving the complete instruction. Adobe Reader should be installed. Okay, then only we can validate the signature. So steps to validate or verify the digital signature on the document or after downloading the provisional degree certificate. Again, once again, note Adobe Reader should be installed. Then this open, after downloading this document, you need to open in an Adobe Reader. Clear? Okay. Then this circled portion in the document indicate that the signature is not valid. So where is the circled area? So this area, it means it is not valid. Clear? The circled portion in the document indicate that the signature it is not valid. So what we need to do? We need to validate that. So this is a basic sample of a provisional degree certificate. So when you are going to KNC for the registration, you should bring your provisional degree certificate. So here you can see the name and which examination and which course, the examination held on which date, and the register number, and next is he or she is eligible for the award of which one, anesthesiology or nursing, which degree, that degree, every details it is there. And also once again you should remember that this PDC certificate which is valid up to your convocation. When you receive the convocation, it will be invalid. Okay, so that is the reason we can itself do the digital evaluation. So here see this one. So we need to, the next step is right click on the circled portion and click on the validate signature. So here you need to right click. Okay, right click here and click on validate signature. Here three options are there: validate signature, view and signed version, show the signature properties. So you need to click validate signature. That is the first step. First you need to right click the circled area. Next is validate the signature. Then next step is on clicking the validate signature, a new window will be open. Click on the signature properties. Okay, so when you are right clicking and validating, here another window is there, signature validation status, and here click here on the signature properties. Hope it is clear. So after that, the next step is under the signature properties, click on show signer's certificate. So under the validation, you can see that one, show the signer's certificate. Click on it. Then the next step, okay, clearly you should listen. Upon the clicking show the signer's certificate, a new window of certificate viewer, it is open. Then click on add to trusted certificate. So this is another page. So here the trust in this area you should click. Okay, add to trusted certificate, click here and the trust. Okay, clear? Then next click on OK button. Here, OK. So click on the OK button. Then next step. So along with this video, you should try to validate your signature. So don't make any mistakes. Take the certificate documents under import contact details settings. So here import contact setting is there, certificate details. Under the trust certified documents, click the certified documents. Clear? Then next is OK. Again under the signature properties, click on validate signature. You need to do this much of information. Then after again go to the signature properties and click here to validate signature. In this area validate signature. Okay, so Next step is the digital signature. It will be verified or validated. After verification, how it will be seen? You can see here a green color tick mark, verified document. So this is the verified document. So you need to do some of the small steps before getting this document validation. So I hope it is clear. So if you have any doubt, means I will attach the PDF link in the description box. You can check on it. Otherwise, when you are doing this PDC application, you should watch this video also. Okay, next, if you want to reset your password, you should follow these instructions. After entering, first again go to the Google and select the PDC or reset password. It will be there, that link, it will be there. Then after entering the registration number, OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Okay, so again you should give your registered number here, then click the submit button, and automatically through your registered mobile number one OTP will be received, and you should submit or enter the OTP here and submit it. You should remember that you can reset the password only 3 times. Okay, so limitations are there. There is only 3 attempts to reset the password. So carefully type the OTP and reset the password. And if your mobile number it is verified, then you can reset the password like this. The reset password, one window it will be there, and registration number enter, again enter your current password and re-enter the password. Enter the new password and re-enter the password and click the save button. So it will be successfully reset your new password. So now we are discussed about how to give application for the PDC and how to validate the signature, and next we discuss about the how to reset the password while applying the PDC. Hope it is clear for everyone, and if you need any another information, you can write it in the comment box. Definitely we will conduct one video. So once again, I think it is useful and you should share with your friends. Thank you.